Yeah. blessings the man walking out and count up their godly. Now stand in the ways of sinners. Now standing in the seat of the scornful. And his light is in the Lord God. That man should be like a chicken planted by rivers of water. And his fruit shall be highly outside. And whatsoever that man do shall always prosper. Yeah. Leave outside. And your heart don't walk it out and count up their godly. Now stand in the ways of sinners. Now standing in the seat of the scornful. And his light is in the Lord God.